In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for beginners and guide you through Asana project management. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Asana's website. If you're new, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, it's a pretty straightforward process. Just click on the sign up option and follow the prompts. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. To do this, enter your email address followed by your password. Once that's done, click on Login to access your Asana dashboard. Now, on your Asana homepage, you're going to get started by creating a new project. You'll find the New Project button, usually located in an accessible part of your dashboard. When you click on it, you have the option to either use a pre-existing template or create a blank project. Templates can be helpful if you're working on a specific type of project like marketing or product launch. But for this tutorial, let's go through the process of creating one from scratch. Click on Create a Blank Project. Next, it's time to name your project. Choose something straightforward and descriptive that will help you easily identify the project later on. Once you've named your project, click on Continue. You'll then get to choose how you want to view your project. Asana offers various ways such as list, board, timeline, or calendar views, whichever suits your working style the best. After deciding, click on Create Project. With your project set up, you can now begin adding tasks. Head over to your project page and look for the Add Task option. Tasks are the building blocks of projects in Asana, and each task can include details, assignees, and due dates. To give depth to this task, you can click on Details, where you can start customizing it further. Assign a team member to take ownership of the task, set a due date to ensure it's completed on time, and if needed, add any subtasks to break down the work into manageable pieces. Once your tasks are up and running, you can easily navigate to My Tasks to view an overview of all the projects and tasks attributed to you. This helps in managing your workload effectively. As you get more comfortable with Asana, feel free to explore around and check out all the features it has to offer. You can click on Customize within your project to access options like adding forms, setting rules, or creating custom fields, features that can greatly enhance your project management efficiency. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basics of using Asana. Take some time to explore, and as you become more familiar, you'll begin to see just how much this tool can streamline your workflow. Happy project managing!